Welcome to Case Study Series in Operations Management Case Study by Skilled MBA School of Rock exemplifies the challenge of balancing creative freedom with operational consistency. The franchise must uphold its rock culture while ensuring quality standards across locations. Key to success is managing franchisee relationships and embracing new technologies to enhance educational delivery and operational efficiency. School of Rock expertly balances its rebellious rock culture with operational standardization. It maintains consistent quality standards while managing franchisee relationships and driving technology adoption. This approach ensures a harmonious blend of creativity and structure, crucial for its success in the competitive music education industry. School of Rock expanded to over 290 global branches by 2021, offering more than 1,000 licensed songs via the Method app. This growth presented opportunities for standardization. In 2017, Rob Price became Chief Executive Officer, steering the franchise through these challenges while maintaining its unique rock culture. The brand's rebellious rock culture fostered creativity and student engagement, yet posed operational challenges. Inconsistent education quality across locations threatened the brand's integrity. Additionally, unstructured music usage risked copyright violations, necessitating a balance between creative freedom and legal compliance. CEO Rob Price's mission in 2017 was to balance preserving the brand's authentic soul with introducing operational structure. He aimed to standardize teaching methodologies while maintaining franchisee autonomy and creativity. This challenge required innovative solutions to ensure the brand's core values were upheld alongside efficient and consistent operations. The Method app offered 1,000 licensed songs, ensuring legal compliance and quality. It provided structured learning paths for consistent educational outcomes. This digital platform was accessible to all franchisees, streamlining operations while balancing structure with creative flexibility, aligning with Price's strategic vision. The Method app's journey began in 2017 with development, launching in 2019 to mixed reviews. By 2020-21, adoption rates stagnated as resistance grew, prompting a strategic reassessment in 2022. These challenges highlighted the need for balancing innovation with user acceptance and adaptability. Teachers perceived the app as a threat to their creative autonomy, fearing it would standardize teaching methods. Early technical glitches and usability issues further frustrated users. The cultural ethos, valuing rebellion, resisted standardization. Additionally, inadequate training left franchisees unaware of the app's benefits, hindering effective adoption. Conducting a listening tour involves visiting franchises to rebuild trust and gather feedback on app improvements. This approach fosters personal connections and provides detailed user insights, showing commitment to franchisee success. However, it is time-intensive for leadership and may set unrealistic expectations, with short-term results difficult to measure. The listening tour option offers significant benefits, such as rebuilding trust through personal connections and providing detailed user feedback. It demonstrates commitment to franchisee success and allows for customization. However, it is time-intensive, may set unrealistic expectations, and results are hard to measure short-term. Additionally, it could reopen settled issues. Targeted marketing leverages peer influence, fostering a competitive atmosphere and showcasing success stories. However, it risks alienating struggling franchisees and may not address technical issues, potentially being seen as propaganda. Balancing these aspects is crucial for effective implementation. Performance incentives offer direct financial motivation and clear success metrics, aligning individual and organizational goals. However, they risk fostering extrinsic over intrinsic motivation, potentially harming creativity and encouraging system manipulation. Balancing these factors is crucial for effective implementation. A hybrid strategy begins with a listening tour to gather insights from diverse franchisees. Technical refinements follow, addressing usability and feature requests. Success stories are then shared internally, highlighting peer achievements and student progress. Finally, balanced incentives are introduced, linking app adoption with student performance outcomes, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Structured empowerment involves balancing standardization with creative autonomy, achieved through thoughtful system design. Stakeholder alignment is crucial, ensuring franchisees view themselves as partners, not subjects. Technology adoption demands cultural acceptance alongside functional excellence, highlighting the need for a holistic approach to integrating technical solutions within organizational culture. Thank you. And this case study highlights the balance between standardization and creativity in operations management. School of Rock exemplifies how structure and soul can coexist through stakeholder alignment and thoughtful leadership. For more insights, contact us at support@skilledmba.com or visit skilledmba.com.